one soldier commit a crime against you, if one police commit a crime against you, it is not the entire government that does that.
Yes.
Okay.
In every nation, there are good children and there are also bad children. In every house, there are good children, there are also bad children.
Yes.
Just forgive us for the bad children that we have.
Yes.
We are going to fix them. That Republican guard from the president, it will be patrolling from Kasumbalesa to Lubumbashi to Mutaka to protect you.
Hey.
We are going to give you a number which whenever they will give a number which whenever you have a problem, you are going to call that number.
It was already there. It was already there. It didn't work. It was already there. It didn't work. Patrol vehicles were already there. Didn't work. So we want to. The number was
I want
there.
to assure you guys, there is a time when they were given a number.
Yes.
And when you call that number, I was telling him, the people were not even answering.
Yeah.
Yes.
There were still problems.
Yes.
But I tell you now, this time is different. So trust the government.
Even the patrol vehicles were not working at all.
Before the end of the week, that number will be available. We are going to give it out to all the groups. You will see it in all the groups.
Okay.
I believe other things already said. Let us start working. Bring your concerns. You take load from outside, bring here, take from here, take outside. So that all of our life we can benefit.
Yes. Yes.
On behalf of the governor of Katanga, I want to say thank you for your understanding and to wish you a safe journey where you are going. When you are in Congo, you are home. And when you go out of Congo, you are also home. Thank you so much.
Wanataka kwenda Sakanya, wawashe magari sasa hivi waje kwenye gate.
All those with the document ready, go start your truck and go home. Bring your truck at the gate. If your document is ready. The people here, they must remove you in order way. So you come on the queue. We are going to guide you nice. Our people here who are working here, they are going to guide you very well so that your truck can go well. Even those on this line, the queue, if they are ready with their paper, tell them in the groups. They must start to come.
Question Kuno.
Question up.
Okay, thank you so much. We are going to talk to other people. They are going to solve it.
Just a question.
Just a question.
Just a question.
Just a question. Just a question.
There's no meeting without
Just a question. Just a question. One question only. Just one question.